the Monkey Temple, which now Monkey Temple is on the Hippie Island, and Hippie Island, it's actually, the real name is not Hippie Island, it's called the Hippie Island, but it is Virupura Gatti. So that's the place. So Monkey Temple is there. Now Monkey Temple is also known as Anjana Parvat. So the board written here is Anjana Parvat, and that's where the board is. So it's called Anjana Parvat, and the locals here are very helpful. Now while we were going upstairs, they said buy water bottle, because you will not get water there, because it's 5,000 steps that you have to climb. So yeah, we buying the bottle now, and then we'll climb. Anjana Parvat, or the Monkey Temple, is the birthplace of Hanumanji, and this is where you get the best sunrise. It's famous for the sunrise. So we have to climb and then see the sunrise. Hey, time. So he said you can go fast, and then like there are more 20 minutes for the sunrise. So walk fast and then you can see it. So you just hurry up.
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुरु सुधारी, बरनउँ रघुबर विमल जसु, जो दायकु फल चारि। बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके, सुमिरो पवन कुमार। भले बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि, हरहु कलेश विकार। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीश तिहु लोक उजागर। रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा, अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा। महावीर
So guys, we climbed the stairs. I'll tell you all how much the exact number is, because it was written as 575 there. So I'll tell you all the exact number. So we climbed upstairs, and then we went inside the temple. Hanumanji's, it is a temple where everything, pujas and all are conducted. There were panditjis inside who conducted pujas, and then even girls can go inside. Like we are allowed to go inside, and we went inside, we prayed. Then there's Anjana Mata's temple, and then there is Lord Rama and goddess Sita also there. So so first I'm very emotional. So first we go to Hanumanji's temple, and then we come outside, and then there is Lord Rama's temple with Lord Ram, Sita, goddess Sita, and then Hanumanji, Lakshman. And then we come outside, and then there is Lord Anjana Mata's, Devi Anjana Mata's temple. So once you pray there, and then you exit from there. Now videography and photography obviously is not allowed. You can take coconuts along with you when you come upstairs, and then you can give the coconut to the panditji. They'll break it, and then they'll give it to you. And also this is Hanumanji's birthplace. Hanumanji was born here. He was born in Anjani Mountains, Kishankinda. Anjani Mountains, Kishankinda. Now this place, Kishankinda, it is in the state of Wali, and here there have been there's like 33 gods and goddesses who have existed here on Kishankinda, and Hanumanji was born here to Anjana Mata, and here what it is written is that here Anjana Mata after 7,000 years of meditation. That's what has been written here. So it's a very, very spiritual place. You feel extremely spiritual, especially after when you climb, and then the surroundings that you see. It's a very spiritual place, and plus offerings are also like you can offer to God. Offerings also conducted, and also after inside were these temples. Once you come outside, there is Lord Shiva's temple, then there is Nandi as well. So yeah.
मान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीश तिहु लोक उजागर रामदूत अतुलित बलधामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन वरण विराज सुरेसा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराजे कांधे मुज जनेऊ साजे शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र जी के काज सवारे लाए सजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुवीर हर सिर लाए रघुपति कीनी बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरतहि संभाई सहस वदन तुमरो यश गावे अस कहि श्रीपद कंठ लगावे सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद सारद सहित ऐसा जम कुबेर दिगपाल जहाते कवि कोविद कहि सके कहाते तुम उपकार सुधी वही कीन्हा राम मिलाए।